So again, we're looking at translating statements into algebra. And A is an example of a problem a lot of people have trouble with. Mostly because it gives you a lot of information and you don't actually end up with a numerical answer, you just end up with an expression. So if we look at these, we read that Kathy goes to 2 colleges. At Green Patches College, she pays $160 per credit hour. At Blue Banana College, she pays $120 per credit hour. In total, she is taking 13 credit hours. Write an expression for the cost. I forgot to add this. In Green Patches College. And then I'll put in parentheses G for our variable. So we know altogether she's taking 13 credit hours. So 13 has to be G plus B, where B is the variable for the hours at Blue Banana College. And G is the variable for hours at Green Patches College. So now that we have this, we have to write one more equation. That way we have a linear system and we can substitute into one another. So it tells us she pays $160 per credit hour at Green Patches and $120 per credit hour at Blue Banana College. So if we just say T is our total cost, well, we'd have to do 160 times G plus 120B. And that has to equal our total cost, because if we plug these hours in, then we'll have whatever her number of hours for Blue Banana College will give us so much money, and whatever her hours at Green Patches College will give us what she's paying to them, and that'll be her total cost. And it wants it just in terms of G. So in this first equation, we'll solve it for B. So I just subtracted G to the other side and canceled out that one. So now we can substitute that B in with 13 minus G, and then we'll just have an equation that is given in G's. So 160G plus 120 times 13 minus G equals T, the total cost. So now we distribute and we get 1560 minus 120G plus 160G equals T. And then we combine like terms. So we get 40G plus 1560 equals T. So that has to be the total cost she's paying when you put it in terms of G. So this next one is a lot easier than that one. So we have 17 less than 14 Tim's age. So all we have to do is designate a variable for Tim's age. So I'll make that T. And we know whatever we're looking for is 4 times Tim's age, so 4 times T, and then minus 17 because it's 17 less. And that would be how we would solve that one.